So, what is the number of users in AdCreative.ai? So, if we're using the link down in the description, we come to this page. AdCreative.ai believes that teamwork makes the dream work. That is why we allow you to invite users to your account to collaborate on projects and work together seamlessly to achieve the creative goals within your campaign. Now, this is different for each number of plans. As we can see here, we can get 1 additional user with the free trial, 2 additional users with the startup plan, 20 additional users with the professional plan, and even 40 additional users. However, we can also upgrade this by increasing the credit and brand number here all the way up to 100 different users, and even up to 5 additional users even for a startup plan. Now, if you are going to buy Ad Creative to enhance your campaign and ad limits, you must choose the yearly 50% offer, as you can save up to $6,000 per year. If you have any other questions about AdCreative.ai, make sure to leave a comment down below with your problem, and I'll make a tutorial video solving your solution as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.